Just like the bird when it found its home, just like the happy dove, your house, O Lord. I love your house, I love with honesty. Your house is prayer, praise, and candles. Your house is love, light, and peace. Just as I love your house, O Lord, I'll love you unto the end of days. Just like the bird when it found its home, just like the happy dove, your house, O Lord. I love your house, I love with honesty. Your house is full of blessings, protected against all demons. We celebrate there the liturgies. They're prayed for the saints. Just like the bird when it found its home, just like the happy dove, your house, O Lord. I love your house, I love with honesty. In your house we read the Bible and learn there the nicest songs, and hear there the blessed hymns, and praise you all our lives. Just like the bird when it found its home, just like the happy dove, your house, O Lord. I love your house, I love with honesty. Blessed are those who are blameless, O Lord, in your house living. Confirm me in your luminous ways forever and ever. Amen. Just like the bird when it found its home, just like the happy dove, your house, O